Did you know 1 out of 5 women and 1 out of 6 men suffer from chronic vein disorders in their legs? With a rich 150-year history, Sigvaris has become a global innovator of quality graduated compression garments with fashionable options designed to fit any lifestyle. Sigvaris products can help almost anyone, from expecting moms, athletes, and more, improve their wellness with every step they take. Beyond the clinical application, wearing compression socks and hosiery daily can help keep your circulatory system working properly, help prevent the onset of varicose veins, and energize tired, achy legs. Wearing Sigvaris graduated compression doesn't just help your legs feel better, but look great too. Give your legs the attention they deserve. To learn more or find a Sigvaris dealer near you, visit sigvarisusa.com.